Poppin' Diva gang, how are y'all doing today? Today we're going to be working on these beautiful kawaii press-on nails. We got ombre, we got glitter, we got 3D art. I am just absolutely in love with these nails and I want to show you guys how I made them. So if you're interested, stay tuned until the very end. But yeah, sorry I missed my upload yesterday. If you guys haven't noticed, I've been trying to upload every other day for the month of September. Hopefully we can get it done, but yeah, so I'm starting off with these extra long square tips. You guys have seen me use these before. They're from diamonddose.biz Nail Couture on Amazon. If you want the link, just let me know. But yeah, you guys, as you can see, I do have some of the nails turned over because some of them are going to be like glitter glass tips. And I'll show you how I accomplished that without using any acrylic or anything. And wow, do y'all hear all those freaking birds outside? That's redonkulous. But basically what I'm doing here is I put some base coat into the well of the nails that are upside down. I'm not doing it to all the nails, just a few. And then I'm going in and I'm curing some glitter into that base coat gel. And I like to do it this way because it eliminates me having to file the top of the nails and like make the surface even, because I like for my nails to have a really smooth texture on top, and sometimes that can be kind of hard to do with gel polish. So that's really why I love having like an airbrush to be able to accomplish looks like this and have it still kind of look like an acrylic set, if you know what I mean. So that's just what I did there on those few nails, and then I turned them over and I'm starting to go in with the base colors for each of my nails. And I planned this out very carefully because I wanted to make sure that while I was airbrushing, I could get it done in the most efficient way possible and not be having to like switch colors every 2 seconds. So that's just what you see me doing here. I did go ahead and sketch out this kind of ombre scheme and setup in my little black nail book, which a review will be coming for that very soon. I just need some time to film it. But yeah, I didn't originally plan to do every other day uploads for the month of September. It just kind of was a last minute decision. So yeah, a lot of my stuff is not really like pre-filmed. A lot of it is just kind of like either spillover content from Vlogmas or stuff that I've been wanting to do for a while and that doesn't take too long to edit. So that's why I'm kind of all over the place right now. But I'm filming my life update today, so hopefully I can have that uploaded either tomorrow or 2 days from tomorrow. Yeah. But anywho, as you can see here, we're starting to go in an airbrush, and I'm using, oh my gosh, the burping. Excuse me, you guys, but I'm going in with my blue color first. And you guys saw, I showed you the picture of how I mapped all that out. So it made this process go by a lot faster. And I did do something different on each of these fingers, and I must say this is a very fun nail set. I've been wanting to do something like this for quite some time. The only thing I guess I wish I would have done differently is add like a character of some kind, like, you know, like something to bring it all together, I guess. But it's still really cute. This is kind of giving me like birthday set vibes. But anyway, I'm being very sparing with my acetone while I'm doing this airbrushing because there's not much of it left. And since I was only going in on certain fingers with certain colors anyway, I didn't want to like waste the little bit of product that I did have left. But I'm going to buy more acetone today, so you know, hopefully we can get that done. But if you haven't seen my video on airbrush tips for beginners, I'll have that linked in the cards. Make sure you check that out. There's a lot of really good informative stuff in that video. So if you're someone that has an airbrush for nail art and you've been struggling, or you're someone that wants to get into it, definitely check that video out. There's a lot of really good tips and a lot of things that I used and that I referenced when I was just starting out doing airbrush nail art and things that I reference sometimes today as well. But this is pretty much what we're working with so far. This is what I like to call like the base, you know, of our design. Now that we have all of our ombre down and ready to decorate, and I'm going in with this, I don't know if it's a wipe top coat, like a top coat that you have to wipe, or if it's a base coat. I kind of think it's like a wipe top coat, like a sticky top coat, but it's glow in the dark, you guys, and it's so cool. I had forgot that I put this on my nails until one night I was laying in bed with my boyfriend, and he was like, your nails are glowing. Well, no, I said to him, I was like, do you see like how my nails are glowing? And he didn't really care. But yeah, this is from Amy Lee, and it's actually really, really cool. Oh, also, I'm thinking about putting these nails on my Etsy page once I get that up and running. And I know I keep talking about it, but it's just something that I want to have in place while I'm working on my actual website redesign. So yeah, but anywho, comment below and let me know if you guys want to see these nails on my Etsy page, because I really, really like them, and I feel like a lot of other people would like them too. So, and I don't have a lot of like kawaii inspired kind of designs, so I feel like these would be a really, really cool addition. So if that's something you want to see, just comment below and let your girl know, okay? But at this point, I'm going in and adding the various decorations onto each of the nails. This was the Bling Nail, and this is my right pointer finger, and this bling came out super cute. I have to say, if I had to pick like a favorite hand, I think it would be my right hand, because I don't know, it's hard to choose, to be honest, but I kind of like the color story on my right hand a little bit better. Yeah, it has more blue, it's got a little more pink. Well, does it really? I don't know. There's just something about my right hand and the way that these designs come together. I just feel like I like it a little better. But I decided to do some really creative cluster bling too for this set. So that's just what you see me doing here. I also did some of that on the middle finger that you saw earlier. And I added some glitter on top as well. But I'm going in and I'm adding some crystal work. And I just did some really, really calm, like swirly crystals. And this finger actually came out really cute. And surprisingly, it's not too like in the way. Whenever I see these really big kawaii charms, like these big bears or anything like that, it makes me really, really nervous, because it's like, you know, I like nails that are creative, that are eye-catching, and that are out there, but I don't want stuff to like be in my way while I'm trying to go about my life, you know? So, but surprisingly, it's actually not that bad. I think it's because it's on the ring finger and not like the thumb or the pointer finger or something, you know? But anyway, these are the two sugar nails, and I just went in with my top coat, and before curing, I went and spilled that glitter all over it. And at this point, I'm going in and giving everything a final round of top coat, and I wasn't sure how I felt about the design at this point. It's really, really funny, like how I don't really totally and completely like a design until I see it on my hands and I see the vision come together. You know, like I have some other nails that I did like that pretty recently too, but I haven't posted the video yet, so I won't show you guys a picture. But I really, really like this thumbnail. The blue to purple ombre is just really, really like doing something for me. I want to kind of do a winter look using that color scheme really, really soon. But I guess I'll have to wait till winter, huh? And I know it's fall, but you guys, I really, really needed to get these nails out of my system. But fall design's coming soon, okay? But this is pretty much the finished look. What do you guys think? I really, really like it. I think it's super cute and creative, and I'm really, really happy with the way the design turned out. I love the ombre glitter tip, and I'm so glad that I kind of am using this hybrid Femi Beauty Lazy Girl method to accomplish this thing. So thank you guys for watching. If you're still here, thank you so much. Don't forget to like my video so that it gets recommended to more divas like you. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the nails. Would you wear these? Are they too much? And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And stay tuned to the very end for a really, really quick, stupid blooper of me trying to get a picture of these nails. Love you, Diva Gang. Peace. Mwah. Can you try and get it like over my...
You're right here though, not dirty. What? You want dirt?